My beloved children, I see the turmoil in your hearts, the discord that echoes amongst you. You judge one another, harboring bitterness and anger, forgetting the love that binds you together. You speak harshly, your words like sword thrusts, wounding those you claim to love. Remember, my children, that I am the ultimate judge, the one who can save and destroy. Yet, I offer mercy, forgiveness, and unending love. Who are you, then, to condemn your brother or sister? The whispers of malice, the seeds of hatred, these things fester and grow, poisoning your souls. You focus on the flaws of others, the speck in their eye, while ignoring the log in your own. Before you judge, examine yourselves. Are your hearts pure? Are your intentions kind? I see your anger, your resentment, the desire for vengeance. But I tell you, let not the sun set on your anger. Forgive as I have forgiven you, a love that knows no bounds, that extends even to your enemies. Love them, pray for them, for in doing so, you reflect my own boundless compassion. Your words, my children, hold immense power. Let them be words of healing, of encouragement, of building up, not tearing down. Let kindness and tenderness guide your tongues. Let your actions speak of forgiveness, of compassion, of understanding. Remember the golden rule: treat others as you wish to be treated. If you are insulted for my name, rejoice, for the Spirit of glory rests upon you. My children, I created you in my image, flawed yet beautiful, capable of both great love and great darkness. Choose love. Choose forgiveness. Choose kindness. Choose to be a reflection of my grace in this world. For in doing so, you find peace, not only for yourselves, but for all those around you. Come to me, your Father, and let my love heal your hearts.